Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a CAT45 cable. So, first things first, if you have a faulty end, you gotta cut that right off using your side cutters. Then, you have to strip the wire. So you get to these wires here. You have to rearrange these wires in the right order, or else the cable will not work. It's nice to have this handy dandy cheat sheet on hand. Give you a good look at it. The camera will focus. Alright, there you go. So, you're going to need to order it with your white-orange cable first. Oh, almost forgot. These strings here, this ripcord, you don't need to worry about that. You can cut that right off with some scissors. You don't have to worry about that. Alright, so you're going to need your white orange. Then you're going to need your white green. Just bring that around. Then blue. You're going to need your blue, and then your white blue, solid green, white brown, and then brown. Alright, so here I have my prepared CAT5 cable. I have organized the colors, and I cut the cables. You want it to be cut maybe half an inch down, and you want the cables to be flush. Then you'll take your RJ-45 jack with the orange cable on your left and the clip of the jack facing down. You want to push the cables into the jack, making sure you have good contact. Once you do that, you want to take your crimper. You put the cable into the crimper and crimp it a good 3 times. And there you have it. Your prepared CAT5 cable.